Are you ready to break free from the barriers that have been holding you back? It's time to embrace the law of assumption, empowering you to bring your deepest desires to life. Whether it's starting a successful business, achieving financial prosperity, or seeking inner peace and good health, you possess the power to turn these dreams into reality. How can you attract your desires using the power of the law of assumption? Keep watching till the end of this video. I'll not only explain how the law of assumption works, but also share a powerful secret technique for effortless manifestation. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the manifestation community. Now let's address the common doubts many have about attracting wealth, health, or happiness. It's normal to wonder if it's this straightforward or if years of relentless work are required to make dreams come true. The law of assumption is no abstract concept. It's a practical tool that can change your life. In simple terms, the human mind is a powerful tool. If you learn to direct your thoughts and energy, you can elevate your manifesting abilities. Recognizing that each of us is unique with different desires, you might question how a simple technique can be universally applied. The answer is surprisingly simple. These techniques tap into fundamental aspects of human psychology and the universal energy that surrounds us. However, there may be moments when you feel like you're missing a crucial piece of the manifestation puzzle. Successful manifestation requires understanding each step in the process. You're not just a passive observer. You're a co-creator of your life. Your desires are a vast menu of possibilities. So, where do you begin? It all starts with being specific about what you want. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and connect with the deepest desires of your heart. Ask yourself, what do I truly want? Don't overanalyze. Let your heart be your guide. For your desires to manifest, they must be in your best interests. Choose your desires wisely and believe that you can achieve them. Learn to detach from the outcome. Worrying about when and how your dreams will manifest can sabotage the process. Instead, embrace the magic of detachment. Place your trust in the process, have faith, and watch as the universe delivers more than you could have ever imagined. Detaching from the outcome plays a significant role in the manifestation process. It shows your trust in the wisdom of the universe and its generosity. Constantly fretting about when and how your dreams will come true is like digging up a seed every day to check its progress. The seed needs time and space to grow. When you desire something but also wait for it with a sense of lack or desperation, you send an unclear message to the universe. Trust in the process, and you'll discover that the universe delivers in ways that often surpass your wildest expectations. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Gratitude is a basic component of successful manifestation. Expressing gratitude acknowledges and appreciates what you have already received and what's on its way. It's like saying thank you to the universe, showing that you're ready to receive more. Gratitude is a powerful magnet that attracts even more blessings into your life. By focusing on the positive aspects, you shift your energy to support the manifestation of your desires. The universe operates on its timeline, and sometimes its timing may not match our immediate desires. This is where patience comes into play. Embrace patience, trust in the process, and recognize that the universe has perfect timing. When you place an order with the universe, it may not arrive instantly, but it will arrive when the time is right. Embracing patience means understanding that there's a season for everything. If you practice affirmations and positive self-talk, use present tense affirmations instead of begging for what you want from a place of lack. Affirm confidently that you are already in the process of receiving your desires. This shift in perspective can be immensely powerful in the manifestation journey. Your gut feeling, or intuition, is another powerful tool. It's like your inner compass, a way to connect with the universe. Trusting your intuition tunes you into a secret language between you and the universe. Instead of getting caught up in overthinking and doubt, your intuition becomes a guiding light in manifestation. It helps you recognize opportunities and signs from the universe. By paying attention to your intuition, you become better at understanding these messages and taking the right actions. Now, let's explore a simple ritual to enhance your manifestation process. This ritual doesn't involve complicated steps or mystical practices. It's a practical way to boost your manifesting power. Set up a dedicated space for this ritual. A quiet corner in your home, a cozy chair, or a peaceful spot in nature. The idea is to have a place where you can focus your thoughts and intentions without distractions. Before you start, relax and center yourself by taking deep breaths and clearing your mind. Close your eyes and visualize your desires, feeling the emotions associated with their achievement. Write down your affirmations in the present tense to reinforce your intentions. Light a candle in your manifestation space, symbolizing the energy and light you're bringing to your desires. Read your affirmations aloud, feeling the words as you say them. Express gratitude for what you have and for what's on its way. Close your eyes again. Meditate on your desires while the candle is burning and visualize your dreams coming true. The candle flame serves as a focal point for your meditation. When you feel focused, blow out the candle, sending your intentions out into the universe. After the ritual, record your experiences and feelings in a journal. Perform this manifestation ritual as often as you like. Consistency and belief in the process are key. Over time, you'll likely notice positive shifts in your life as your desires come closer to reality. In life, people may say that success and happiness are impossible, that dreams are out of reach. Don't let doubts hold you back. Approach your journey with an open heart and a strong belief in the possibilities. Your belief in the universe and the manifestation process is crucial. Don't let doubts, whether internal or external, chain you. Your belief in the process propels you forward, serving as the foundation of your trust in the universe's grand plan for you. Believing in your dreams and the process of manifestation is a powerful force for success. It's like having a deep sense of trust in the universe's amazing possibilities, acknowledging something beyond our full understanding. Your belief in the manifestation process propels you forward. It's the foundation of your trust in the universe's grand plan for you. When you believe in your heart's desires and the path you're on, you emit a powerful energy that can work wonders. If you've struggled to break free from doubts and tap into your intuition's full potential, meditation can be your ticket to personal freedom. It's a simple practice, sitting quietly and turning your attention inward. Meditation is a tool that allows you to break free from mental chains, unwrapping daily gifts of abundance right before your eyes. Make meditation a regular part of your life to gain access to higher states of consciousness, where intuition becomes a guiding force and beliefs take on deeper meaning. Break free from the cycle of overthinking, self-doubt, and fear. Become a harmonious part of the universe's grand design, unlocking the flow of life's abundance. Meditation, in its simplicity, is your daily practice of unwrapping the gifts of abundance the universe offers. If you found these tips helpful, please like and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more helpful content, and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep manifesting. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.